We have already seen how to solve a pair of linear equation by substitution method. In today's video, we will see how to solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. So in this method, we are eliminating one of the unknown variable and we will proceed using the following steps. So since we are eliminating one variable and solving the equation, this method is called as elimination method. Now let's take an example. So we will solve this pair of linear equation x plus y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now let's see how to solve this pair of linear equation by step-by-step procedure using this elimination method. So the first step is multiply the given equation by suitable number so as to make the coefficient of one of the unknown variable numerically equal. So our equations are like this: x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Multiply the given equation by suitable number so as to make the coefficient of one of the unknown variable numerically equal. So if this is our first equation and second equation, I am going to multiply the first equation throughout with the number 2 so that here the coefficient of x is 1. I want to make the coefficient of one of the unknown variable. Two unknown variables are there, x and y. So I have to make the coefficient of x same. So that is why I am multiplying with 2 throughout the first equation. So if I multiply the first equation throughout with 2, I'll have 2x, again 2 into y, 2y, 5 2's are 10. So let this be our equation number 3. So what I have done in the first step, I have multiplied the first equation throughout with 2 so that the coefficient of this unknown variable will be same. So 2x plus 2y equal to 10. So I got this equation. Now step 2. So the step 2 is, if numerically equal coefficients are opposite in sign, add the new equation, otherwise subtract them. So our first equation is like this: x plus y equal to 5. Our second equation is like this: 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now our new equation, that is, I have multiplied throughout the first equation with 2. So I got like this. This is our third equation or our new equation. Numerically equal coefficient. Which are the numerically equal coefficient? This 2x and 2x, they are equal. They are opposite in sign, then add the new equation. If it is same in sign, then subtract the new equation. So here 2x and 2x both are in same sign. So what I am going to do, my second step is 2 minus 3. So that means 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Subtract, I am going to subtract the new equation plus 2y equal to 10. So we have, when you subtract, you have change the sign. This will become plus. So 2x minus 2x cancel. Minus 5y equal to, this plus 10 will become minus 10, which is equal to minus 14. Here both are minus. So minus 3 and minus 2, and so minus 5y and 4 minus 10. One is plus, other is minus. So subtract and put the bigger numbers. So which is equal to minus 6. One is plus, other is minus. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So y equal to minus 6 divided by minus 5. So y equal to 6 by 5. So we got y equal to 6 by 5. So step 3 is, resulting equation is a linear equation in one unknown variable. Solve it to get the value of one unknown quantity. I have already done the step here. See, we got the linear equation in one unknown, that is minus 5 equal to minus 6. So y equal to minus 6 divided by minus 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. That is our step 3. You got a linear equation, solve that linear equation. Now let's see what is step 4. Now step 4 is substitute this value in any of the given equation. So we have y equal to 6 by 5. I am going to substitute in any of the given equation, which are our equation x plus y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 4, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Any of the equation you can substitute. So I will substitute in the second equation 2x minus 3y equal to 4. In that equation I am going to substitute 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So 2x minus 3 into 6 by 5 equal to 4. So now 2x minus 18 by 5 equal to 4. Now what is the step 5? You have to solve this to get the value of other unknown variable. So I am going to solve this. You have to take the LCM. 10x minus 18 by 5 equal to 4. How I got 10x? We have to take the LCM. Here denominator is 1. So 5 2s are 10x minus 18 by 5 equal to 4. So again 10x minus 18 equal to 4 5s are 20. Now 10x equal to 20 plus 18. So x is equal to 38 by 10, or I can write x is equal to 19 by 5. If you simplify with 2, you will get 19 by 5. So this is called as elimination method. We are eliminating one variable. Here we have eliminated x. We have found out the value of y. Then we have substituted in any of this equation to get the value of x. Actually, elimination method is easier than substitution method. Now let's solve one more question with the elimination method. First equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Second equation is 2x minus 2y equal to 2. So here I am going to make, in the first problem we have made the coefficient of x same. Here I am going to make the coefficient of y same. So to make the coefficient of y same, what I should multiply? I have to multiply the second equation throughout with 2. So the first equation is like this, 3x plus 4y equal to 10, that I am not going to change. The second equation, what I am going to do is I am going to multiply throughout with 2. So if I multiply the second equation throughout with 2, I will have 2 2s are 4x minus 4y equal to 4. So this is my first equation as such. This is my third equation. Now here just see the this has got same coefficient 4 and 4. Now what I should do to eliminate that variable y, we just need to add it because they are opposite in sign. If they are opposite in sign, just add it. If they are same sign, you need to subtract. So here they are opposite in sign. So the next step what I am going to do is I am going to add 1 plus 3. So 3 plus 4 is 7x. This will get cancelled. And 10 plus 4 is 14. So x is equal to 14 by 7, and which is equal to 2. So we got, so the step number 3 is also over. We have framed the equation with only one unknown variable, that is x. Fourth step, we have solved that equation. So x is equal to 14 by 7, which is equal to 2. Now next last step, you have to substitute this value of x is equal to 2 in any of this equation, either this or this or this. You will get the same answer. So I will substitute in the first equation 3x plus 4y equal to 10. So 3 into 2 plus 4y equal to 10. 6 plus 4y equal to 10. Or I can write 4y equal to 10 minus 6, 4y equal to 4, y equal to 4 divided by 4. The answer is 1. So we got value of x as well as y. Y is 1 and x is, value of x is 2. So here we have eliminated the variable y. So that is why this method, one variable we are eliminating and finding the solution. That is why this method is called as elimination method. Thank you for watching the video.